In this video, we are provided with two memory locations and the respective values that are supposed to be placed in these two memory locations. Meaning, if we have this as a memory, we have an address called 7080H where we are supposed to keep the value 50H, and we have another address 7090H which will contain the value 40H. Now our main task is to swap these two values and keep 40H in at 7080H and 50H and 7090H. Now how do we proceed with this code? So first of all, we're going to load these two values into the memory locations. For that, I'll take the first value 50H in register A, then I'm going to store this into 7080H. So the first value 50H is placed in 7080H. Then we take the second value 40H and then we move this to 7090H. Now the second value is stored in 7090H. After this, let's load the value from 7080H into the accumulator 7080H, which means accumulator is going to get the value 50H. Then I'm going to move this to some other register B, which means the register B will get the value 50H from the accumulator. Then I'm going to load the second memory location 7090H, meaning accumulator will now have a value of 40H from 7090 memory location. Now we store this in 7080H. So memory location 7080H gets the value of 40, which means this value is swapped to this location. This is done. We have 50H in our register B, so we're going to move that to register A and then store this in 7090H, which means register A will get the value of register B, which is 50H, and then that particular 50H is going to be transferred to 7090H. And this is the end of our program. You can run this program in your simulator and then check it. The program should run.